So now I'm gonna need the dumpling. Let's get the dumpling. I'm gonna have some green banana too. Hold on. The green. Give me a banana, yeah, green. Alright. Oh, what is? I swear. Why I don't know? Let me check. Banana and I feel green, my love. Them feel. I don't know. I don't know about them banana yeah, but okay. I feel like ripe banana. I must I don't know. Hold on there. Hey guys, good morning. Good morning, good morning, good morning. No, it's not good morning. Let me stop. Oh, the lighting. Okay, right here. Good day. My picking them some for cook. So all I'ma do, you know what their request is? Stupid. You know the request? Some rundown dumpling and banana with some things in it. Yes, that's what I want. So me I gotta do it. Anyway, but yes, that's the deal. You can hear the grandson in the background. He playing his thing. I'm doing my thing. So this is the deal. Okay, let's get to the food first. Make a cook it. So I'm putting the kettle on. That's the water. One. This is mushroom and tofu. That's going in the pot. I did these already. Pot is still hot. And here I have all the seasonings: thyme, onions, green scallion, and garlic and peppers. Okay? Need the dumpling. Gloves on. I don't need dumpling without the gloves. I like to wear gloves because I wear polished nails. Okay? Dumpling need up. Gloves up. Me I cut up the other things then. Wait for the water to warm up. So I'm gonna go and cut up them tofu here, right? So I cut the tofu up, right? I need my flour now. I have to take care of the bananas. Anyway, people, my picking it warm and she said, well, dinner. But anyway, we're gonna put the seasoning in the pot, right? Let us start. Ooh, don't burn me. Wait. So here, we have like a salt, garlic powder, why me have some onion powder. Why the pot a boil. And then wait. I have like a allspice, but like not all I want them and not even the tofu in the pot. So this is the coconut cream I used. I'm gonna have no coconut and the store never have none. Didn't feel like go deep diving, sorry. Sorry, dumpling are going in the pot. Why the dumpling them? What? I made them. See them? Well, the pot just a simmer. The pot just a simmer. That's all now. So we just a wait for she do our thing. You know what I mean? After that, boil up. And there we have it. That's dinner. Over here, like I said, is cauliflower. So we start it over here. Cauliflower. So far, so good. Here, we could see here is cabbage and